Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. And hey, guys, I'm super excited. I have my new setup, new computer, new Yeti microphone, which you can see right here. You see my Yeti, and I am hoping to make a fantastic review for you today. I have some exciting news on a coin that I've been looking at, and I want to just touch base on that. And I want to show you guys what the potential opportunity is here. So yesterday, guys, when we were seeing a sea of red, right? Yesterday, we saw everything in red. All cryptocurrencies were in red. But there was one coin that was not red, and that coin was Skycoin. Today, obviously, it's dropped down 30%. It could be a good buying opportunity for those of you that want to buy on the dip and get the bounce. That's coming up. But yesterday, while all coins were red, Skycoin was up about 37%. And that is because recently it was announced yesterday, actually, that Skycoin was going to be listed on the Binance exchange. If we go over to the Coinigy chart right here, this is Skycoin listed on Cryptopia. Currently, it's only listed on Cryptopia, and you can see that there is quite a bit of activity. Very volatile, as you can see. But yesterday, it was announced that Skycoin would actually be listed on Binance, and it caused this huge jump right here. It was almost 100% increase in the price, and now obviously we're seeing a drop down and dip back as a retracement from that high of yesterday. So now is actually a really good time to get in. I would probably wait till it dips down a little bit lower to like the 0.0025 range, somewhere around this range right here. Let me change the color. Somewhere around this range right here is really where I would get in. It could go a little bit higher than that, but I don't want you to lose your shirt over this one. But guys, Skycoin. Why am I even talking about Skycoin? Because I think Skycoin has tremendous potential. As yesterday we saw the announcement that Binance was going to list the coin, I think is a very bullish sign. I think that right here, it's a very bullish sign. We're seeing the trend wave go up right here, and that's only going to continue as the dip is, as the prices start to recover and bounce back and rebound where they have been in the past. Skycoin, right, it didn't dip like all of the other coins have been dipping. I mean, it did to some degree, but it's already been bouncing back, and I still continue to see the trend line going up. So what is Skycoin, guys? Skycoin is basically the new internet for the new world. Skycoin is a platform, not necessarily a coin or a cryptocurrency token. It's a platform that's being built. It's a new platform that's being built to enable the decentralized internet for the masses. And guys, I was just talking about this the other day on one of my videos where I was saying that decentralized applications, decentralized exchanges, decentralized internet is all coming. Atomic swaps are coming. Skycoin is leading the way with decentralized internet and really a whole lot more. One reason I'm bullish on Skycoin is because they're building out a platform capable of so many things that Bitcoin was not able to achieve in its long life since, 2009, right? Skycoin is built by some of the same folks that were involved in the stand-up of Bitcoin, of Ethereum in the early days, right? Years ago. There's a guy named Synth, and I'm going to show you in a sec. He's involved in Skycoin and plans to make Skycoin one of the best, if not the best, cryptocurrency in the world. So let's dig into it, guys. The Skycoin platform is the most advanced blockchain application ecosystem in the world. Developed by early contributors to both Bitcoin and Ethereum, Skycoin's platform is completely secure, infinitely scalable, and ISP independent, right? So it will not be based on internet service providers and their centralized control, right? Skycoin is trying to break free from that, okay? Backed by bandwidth, storage, and computational power, Skycoin is built to fulfill Satoshi's original vision, all right? So Skycoin is trying to eradicate internet service providers. It's trying to decentralize the internet by creating nodes, individual nodes that will be put all around the world so that if any of those nodes were to be taken down or a large section of those nodes were to be taken out, the internet would still function and function seamlessly independently of a centralized organization, right? So we all know that net neutrality is a big issue in the United States. China, we know, censors the internet. They block websites. They block different speeds that their user base, their citizens can access. And And that's all because the internet right now is centralized around a handful of internet service providers, right? We have Comcast, we have AT&T in the United States, right? In China and other countries, they have other internet service providers. But nonetheless, there's this centralized control of power at the center of it all. And Skycoin is trying to change that. But Skycoin is so much more than that. It's more than just a decentralized internet. It's a platform that will enable the ability for companies to build decentralized applications on top of their platform layer, right? So on the protocol layer, which is really the base layer, which is what Skycoin is excelling at, they've actually created a new type of blockchain, a new protocol, if you will, that can enable all of these different things, enable scalability, enable decentralized internet, enable decentralized application development, so forth and so on. It's because of the protocol, guys. And I'm always saying you need to invest in protocols, not coins, right? So think of, things like Cardano, like Stellar Lumens, like IOTA, like EOS. All of these are platforms. They're not cryptocurrency tokens. They're platforms which others can build cryptocurrency tokens on top of. And that's key here, guys, because anything that you can build a cryptocurrency on top of or a token on top of and use to tokenize other assets, other applications, so forth, other functions, so forth and so on, they're going to do the best, right? Think about it like this. If you think of like HTTP in internet of early kind of like 1995, HTTP is a protocol, right? TCP IP is a protocol layer, and HTTP or the internet is built on top of TCP IP, right? It's the protocol layer. And look at all that's been built off of the HTTP, TCP IP protocol layer, right? The entire internet has been built. So when you think of a new protocol that Skycoin is building, just think the potential is bigger than or as great as the size of the internet itself. Skycoin was picked as the top 5 crypto projects to watch in 2018. Net neutrality and consumer data privacy emerged as 2 key issues in tech in 2017. If you're concerned about paying for ridiculous fees, which I am, and ridiculous fees to ISPs for unreliable coverage, having your data sold, or government monitoring and censorship, Skycoin provides hope. These are the core issues that Skycoin is attempting to solve, all right? So we already talked about these a bit, but Comcast, AT&T, other internet service providers in the US, they can honestly dictate what prices they want to make you pay for the internet. They can dictate whether or not you can see certain websites. They can dictate whether or not your internet speed is fast or slow or non-existent at all, right? That's what ISPs can do, and that is why there's centralized control, which needs to be changed, right? Government can monitor and censor like China does already. Okay, so what are the aspects of Skycoin? I want to jump over real quick to the ecosystem before I jump down a little bit, because they're building out an entire ecosystem, right? Their ecosystem is built out on a few factors: Skycoin, Skywire, and Obelisk, and Fiber. Let me actually get a different view of this in their white paper. I think there's a pretty decent view of this. Let's see if I can find it. Maybe not in their white paper. Maybe it's on their homepage. Let me go back real quick. Let's just keep going through this because I think you'll be able to see it. Okay, so Skycoin is the most advanced blockchain in the world. Skycoin is the actual cryptocurrency itself. It's going to be the platform that it's going to be built on. Skycoin is the token that you'll actually buy and sell. Skywire is a new decentralized internet that I just spoke of. They call it Skywire. Obelisk is the web of trust, a new kind of consensus algorithm solving the fundamental flaws with proof of work and proof of stake. So as I said before, Obelisk is an entirely new protocol. It's a new protocol algorithm that's different than proof of work and proof of stake, if you're familiar with that. SkyMiner is the actual hardware or nodes that will be used to create the decentralized internet, and we'll get into that in a second. Fiber is the infinitely scalable and highly customizable parallel pair chain architecture of the Skycoin platform. So Fiber is the actual architecture behind it all. CX is a custom-built programming language developed on top of Golang, which is a very popular programming language, which will enable folks to build applications on top of this ecosystem that Skycoin is building. Very cool that they got their own programming language. CXO is a peer-to-peer cloud-based storage service tailored to service a distributed network of Skywire. So it looks like they're building like a new box or a new Dropbox functionality on top of this. Nodes, which is similar to SkyMiner hardware, but it's nodes that will be deployed anywhere in the world to decentralize the internet for the Skywire ecosystem or the Skycoin ecosystem, right? Coin hours. So coin hours are interesting. You're going to be able to earn money by using the Skycoin ecosystem and network in the form of coin hours, right? So the more you use the network, the more you engage in the network, the more coin hours you'll get, the more Skycoins you'll get, the more money you're actually going to have. And that's by using the different services that Skycoin will be offering in their platform and on their ecosystem overall. Sky Messenger looks like they're building out a private messaging app similar maybe to Telegram or WhatsApp or anything similar to that. And the most important aspect of it all, Kitty Cash, guys, Kitty Cash. Just kidding, that is not the most important aspect, but it is a fun aspect of Skycoin. So similar to CryptoKitties that are on the Ethereum blockchain, Kitty Cash is also a popular application built on the Fiber Skycoin ecosystem network. Kitty Cash is a complete gaming ecosystem powered by cats. If you haven't checked that out, definitely go check it out. Check out Kitty Cash. It's similar to CryptoKitties, and I think you're going to be excited just at how fun it actually is. So go check that out. That's really it. I do want to check out the Telegram channel. I believe it's fairly large, almost 10,000 folks. Twitter, I believe, has almost like 15,000 folks on their 11,500 folks on their Twitter account. Telegram has 9,600, and that's grown even since yesterday. The ecosystem itself, if you look at over here, it'll dig into a little bit more of each component that I was just talking about on the ecosystem page, and it'll explain how all of this will work. So I definitely recommend you jump into this because it'll really show you how Skycoin works at a larger scale. Let's jump into the white paper quickly because I think the white paper is really well written. I'm not going to go over the entire white paper, but I do want to at least touch on the first part here. Skycoin is an entire ecosystem where cryptocurrency is not only part of the story, exactly, right? Because it's a platform. The rest includes the elimination of mining rewards, development of energy-efficient custom hardware, the realization of transaction speeds that rival the likes of Visa, and the advancement of a more secure and private internet alternative, right? So they're going to do this with these 5 components: Skycoin, Skywire, SkyMiner, Fiber, and SkySuite, right? So they're going to offer a fast and secure cryptocurrency, which is Skycoin. They're going to offer Skywire, which is the actual decentralized internet. They're going to offer SkyMiners, which is the hardware and actual nodes that will be used to power the Skywire decentralized internet. They are going to deploy Fiber, which is a decentralized open blockchain network, right? And they're going to deploy SkySuite, which is a suite of decentralized applications and languages to help you build applications in this network, right? They talk about centralization as part of Web 2.0 and decentralization as part of Web 3.0. I talk about this a lot in previous videos as well. I call it Web 3.0 instead of Web 4.0 instead of Web 3.0 because I think there is Web 1, 2, and 3 already. Web 3.0 being the semantic web, Web 4.0 being the decentralized semantic web. So that's kind of how I look at it. But I want to read this to you guys. Skycoin picks up where existing protocols left off. TCP, IP, for example, the existing internet, the existing web technology. Implementing a fast and scalable and only truly decentralized blockchain platform that makes Web 3.0 a reality, freeing us from high internet bills, the control of information, and invasion of privacy by governments and corporations. So do take a look at the rest of this white paper. I think it's very fascinating and a very, very good read. I do want to touch base on the team really quick because I think it's important who the team is. So Synth, he is one of the early founders of the Bitcoin and Ethereum. He worked on the projects with the cypherpunks as well. And he says, these are architects of the new internet, the most advanced blockchain application platform in the world. We trust them and they will deliver. I believe Synth because if you look at his bio, which I highly recommend you do, he's been involved in significant technological breakthroughs. And I think Skycoin is just really getting started, guys. If we go back and look at the price chart right here, we can clearly see that the trend is going up. And we're in a bearish market right now. The market is completely down right now, guys. I mean, it is completely down. And if we look at things, whoops, that's not what I wanted. Let's go back to Sky. Let's go to the USD version, even though the volume is significantly lower. I do want to show you how this compares to Bitcoin. Let's go over to USD. Let's go there. Let's go there. So if you look, the entire market is completely down. And when Skycoin comes back alive, it is going to go up through the roof, guys. Let me get back to Skycoin BTC because the volume there is good. So this is truly, truly an opportunity for you guys if you look at this chart. And let me go back to the one-day chart, right? Clearly we're coming down. Clearly this is going to be a handle situation. Here's the cup, right? Let me draw this out. Here's the cup for you. The handle is coming back down right about here, right? Before we see another bounce up, guys. So this is likely going to happen. I'm not a fortune teller. I'm not a prophet, but I do look at technical analysis on a fairly regular basis, and I know that this is a short-term downturn, guys. So right now is a good time to get into Skycoin if you're interested. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you financial advice. This is the opinion of one man and one man only. But it is a damn good opinion because I know that this is going to do well in the future. Okay, guys, this is Dan again from Crypto Camacho. If you have not already looked at Skycoin, definitely do. You could download the wallet if you want to buy a little bit of Skycoin, test it out, see how it works. Very fast, very, very impressive. I think it's one of the coins that has been highly underestimated and is a bit under the radar at the moment. I think really good things are to come for Skycoin, and I wanted to bring it to your attention because I am bullish on it. And I'm excited about it. I think it's exciting to see what's happening with Skycoin because it's going to fulfill all of the things I've been talking about, guys, with decentralized applications, decentralized exchanges, atomic swaps, building things in a decentralized way so no more motherfuckers can control you anymore, including governments, banks, third-party institutions, because we all know that third parties are security loopholes, right? Our security, wait, what does it say? It's like all third parties are security. I can't remember what Nick Szabo said, but he said, Nick, let's just look it up here because I want to leave you with this thought. Nick Szabo, all third parties. Okay, let's see what he said here. Third parties are security holes. Nick Szabo said that best, security holes. Third parties are security holes. Guys, invest in Skycoin if you feel the same as I do. I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on that little red button right below me, guys. If you want to get updates every day and if you want to learn how to make a killing in cryptocurrency, I recommend you click on that little red button. Until next time, I'll see you later. See you guys.